welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on aeroplane. When viewing from the rear side, the rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction and plane taking the right turn. So this is situation, plane is taking right turn, and when this is our direction of viewing, so when view from this side, the rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. This is rotating in this direction. So in this situation, we know that according to right hand rule, the angular momentum vector, it's rotating in anti-clockwise direction, and when we are viewing from this side, if we curl our finger in anti-clockwise direction, our thumb will direct in this direction. So we can say this would be the angular momentum vector. And when plane is taking right turn, this angular momentum will follow this path, and after taking the turn by 90°, this would be the final LS, angular momentum vector. So as we know that from our lecture, we know that the LS, angular momentum vector, is always changing the direction of active gyroscopic couple. So we can say this would be the direction of active gyroscopic couple. This is the active gyroscopic couple. And as we discussed that the reactive gyroscopic couple, so according to Newton's third law, this would be the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. So this is reactive gyroscopic couple, and this is our axis of precession, and this is axis of spin, and you can say this is x, y and z. The z axis is the z plane is the plane of precession. So now we need to identify the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple. So this is our reactive gyroscopic couple. If we direct our thumb in this direction, then the sense of rotation would be this. So we can say if this is the reactive gyroscopic couple, tau r, this would be the effect, or on the plane the effect would be in this direction. So you can say tail, or we can interpret the tail of the plane will be dipped. So effect is tail will be dipped, and nose of the plane will be raised, or you can say front end of the plane will be raised and rear end of the plane will be dipped. So in this situation the effect would be this. Okay, thank you. So in the next lecture we are taking the another case of the aeroplane, and we'll discuss the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on the aeroplane. So thank you.